Good morning, students of class 9. Today we are going to start a fresh topic of geometry, that is quadrilaterals. So we are going to start quadrilaterals. Quad means 4 and lateral means sides. Quad means 4 and lateral means sides. So a plane figure which is surrounded by 4 sides is called a quadrilateral. You can see in this diagram, ABCD is a plane figure surrounded by 4 sides AB, BC, CD and DA. ABCD will be called a quadrilateral. In quadrilateral, A, B, C and D, A, B, C and D are called vertices. In singular, vertex, and in plural it is vertices. So A, B, C, D are called vertices of this quadrilateral, while A, B, B, C, C, D and D A are called sides. Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D are called interior angles. And if we join opposite vertices A to C or B to D, then AC and BD are called diagonals. Diagonals of this quadrilateral ABCD. So in quadrilateral we will discuss about some special kind of quadrilaterals as parallelogram, square, rectangle, rhombus, etc. So I will start from parallelogram. So first you listen the basic properties of parallelogram and then note down them on your notebook. So let us take a quadrilateral with base AB and whose opposite sides are parallel. So here ABCD is a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, first property is that the pair of opposite sides will be equal. AB is equal to CD, BC is equal to AD and parallel, and also parallel. Also AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to DA or AD. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are also equal. In case of parallelogram, opposite angles are also equal. So second property will be opposite angles are equal. Just write down. We will prove them one by one. Opposite angles are equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. Opposite angles are equal. Opposite sides are equal. The sum of any two consecutive angles is 180 degree. The sum of any two consecutive angles is 180 degree. Sum of consecutive angles is 180 degree. you have studied that if AB parallel CD and BC is transversal, sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. The property is co-interior angles. So in the same manner, AD is parallel to BC and A plus B is equal to 180 degree. It is also co-interior angles. Sum of consecutive angles is 180 degree. So you can write A plus B is equal to 180 or B plus C 180 or C plus D 180 or D plus A 180 degree. The fourth property is about diagonals. Diagonals are AC and BD. So diagonals are unequal. Obviously, in case of parallelogram, diagonals are unequal, but diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. That is, OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So these are some basic properties related to a parallelogram. So I have told you these properties before taking any problem, because you should already know these properties about parallelogram before attempting any question of this topic. Okay, and the last property is related to the area of a parallelogram. A parallelogram is written as two parallel lines and GM in exponent. Area of parallelogram is given by base into altitude. Base into altitude. Any sides may be the base of a parallelogram. Base may be any side. Base may be any side. If you take AB as base, then DM will be its altitude. And if you take BC as base, then DN will be its altitude. If AB is base, then DM is altitude, and when BC is base, then DN is altitude. Okay. Any side can be the base. You can take AB as base, but DM will be altitude. In case of AB as base, you can take BC as base, but DN will be altitude or perpendicular in case of BC as base. So just write down all the facts. Let us take one question or theorem related to the parallelogram. Students, now we are going to prove these properties one by one. Just write down, prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Prove that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. first of all, you should make a parallelogram with base AB. A parallelogram with base AB. ABCD is a parallelogram. Given ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle B. Opposite angles are equal. Proof. So students, you know that if there are two parallel lines, AB is parallel to CD and AD is transversal, then sum of these two angles will be 180 degree. This property is called co-interior angles. So we will just write angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Any two consecutive angles of parallelogram. Also, angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. These two are also co-interior angles or consecutive angles of a parallelogram. So write down the region for this consecutive angles of a parallelogram have sum as 180 degree. Consecutive angles of parallelogram have sum as 180 degree. By these two equations, RHS is equal to 180 and 180. So it will imply that D plus A is equal to A plus B. D plus A is equal to A plus B. A and A cancelled. Angle D will be equal to angle B. Opposite angles are equal. And we will write similarly. There is no need to write it again. We will just write similarly. Angle A is equal to angle C. Good. We can also write this statement at last. Hence, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Proved. This is the proving for first property of parallelogram, that opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Now we are going to prove that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So first note it down. After that, try by yourself. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Try it by yourself. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. So, in this problem, ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given, and AC and BD, AC and BD are its diagonal. Join AC and BD. AC and BD to prove. To prove will be OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. So students, in this particular problem, we will use the concept of congruency. If we are able to prove these two triangles congruent, then we can also write OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD by CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. And it is very easy to prove these two triangles congruent because AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, and angle AOB is equal to angle COD, vertically opposite angle. And also at last we will write angle 1 is equal to angle 2. AB parallel CD and BD is transversal. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 2 are alternate angles. Or you can write angle CDO is equal to angle ABO. These two are alternate angles. So just write it down. In triangle AOB and COD. In triangle AOB and COD, AB equal to CD. The region is opposite sides of parallelogram. AB is equal to CD, opposite sides of parallelogram. Angle AOB is equal to angle COD. These two are vertically opposite angles. AOB is equal to COD. These two are vertically opposite angles, and angle CDO, which I have written angle 1, is equal to angle ABO, which I have written angle 2. These two are alternate angles for AB parallel CD and BD is transversal. Alternate angles. Hence, by AS, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. AOB is congruent to COD. After proving these two triangles congruent, we can also write OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. CPCT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Hence, diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other proved. So students, these two properties will be clear to you with proof. Now you need to try some questions by yourself, by your book or textbook. In the next class, or in next video I will tell you about some further properties related to parallelogram, or we will take some problems related to parallelograms. Thank you very much for watching this video.